Ratnam Group is developing residential and commercial properties for the past 30 years. Speciality of Ratnam Group is engineering perfection, conceptual design, delicate elevation, and most important is transparency to our customers. Developer at Ratnam Group are not just constructing properties, we are building dreams. Dreams for our valued customers to live happy and healthy family life and reach new heights in their businesses. That is our philosophy. In Ratnam Garden Bay project, we are coming up with a vision of modern days residential desire, operational comfort and modern lifestyle. We have taken care of several factors like safety, security, many technical parameters, premium quality building material to make the building live for its lifelong tenure and spacious living. We have planned plumbing, drainage and electrical services such that the future maintenance can be pretty easier. Nowadays, parking has become a major concern in residential buildings that we have planned out pretty smartly in this project.
The modern profession of architecture echoes with its origin, its rich history and the fast-paced changes of the 21st century. Through Garden Bay, architecture and construction were united by the culture, science, materials, from the style and the craft to achieve the vision. We kept in the mind the requirements of its discerning customers while designing each apartment of this project. We took only 2 apartments on each floor so that you keep luxury with privacy. Garden Bay is known by its garden architecture and immenseness of the building. It is phenomenal that you can have a view of the spectacular garden from each well-ventilated apartment. As an architect, we never compromise the quality. All the amenities and the minute details are our dream, which is well implemented in the Ratnam Garden Bay.
I believe all these factors have been worked out such that it is going to be the exact same building as planned by the architect, and our customers would get great return on their investment. Ratnam Garden Bay is not just bunch of apartments placed together, but it is a classy campus and healthy community which gives you a pleasure of living.